What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your audio using Filmora 13. Okay, so I will show you all the basic function of the software. You can use the audio tools to cut your audio, remove the background noise of your audio, as well as some AI tools in the software. So I think it is very simple. All you need to do is to follow my instruction. And being mentioned that this video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora. If you want to try Filmora, go ahead to the link in the description. And if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Right now on filmora.wondershare.com, you have the biggest Christmas deal. If you purchase annual plan for cross platform, the price is only $39.99 US dollar, and you get 20% discount. For perpetual license for desktop, you get 20% off also, and the total price you have to pay is only $63.99 US dollar. So you want to purchase Filmora license, this is the right time for you. Click the link in the description to save your money. Alright, so this is my Filmora 13 user interface. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this video as an intro of the tutorial. Okay, so this is my video, and first up we want to drag and drop it onto a timeline, and you can listen to the audio at this position. What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Okay, so tip number one, if you want to see the waveform better, you want to increase the height of the video track, all you need to do is to click here at this track, and you want to increase it like this. By doing that, you can see the audio waveform better here. Okay, channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how. And tip number two, if you want to edit your audio, don't forget to turn on the audio meter right here, because this audio meter will have you control the audio level. If the audio level is higher than 0, then the audio will be distorted. Okay, so try to maintain the audio level below 0. If you want to turn on the audio meter, you want to just click here. We have a button here, audio meter. Just click here to turn it on. Okay, and let's click here to view everything on the timeline first. So if you want to increase or reduce the volume of the video, you have a white line here. So this is the white line that you can control to increase or reduce the volume of the audio. For example, I can reduce the volume of my video. Just click here and drag it down. Okay, so you can listen to the audio. What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you. Okay, and now I want to increase the volume. I can click here again and increase it a little bit like this. Okay. What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, that's nice, right? And at the end of the audio track, you see two white dot here. This is to create fade in and fade out for your audio. For example, if I want to create a fade out for my audio, I can click here and drag it to the left like this, and we have a fade out effect for my audio. Purchase the software, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, and now what if you want to detach the audio or separate the audio with the video? It is very simple. Just select the video track here, and then you want to right click and select this option, detach audio, or you have a shortcut here, Control Alt D to detach your audio. Okay, something like this. And now you have video track here and audio track here. And be mentioned that you can also increase the height of the audio track also. Okay, audio using Filmora 13. So that is how to detach the audio. Let's press Ctrl Z to come back to normal. Okay, and next up, if you want to add audio keyframe in Filmora 13, it is also possible. Now you need to right click at the video and select Adjust Audio. Okay, and let's close the keyframe panel here. So now at the volume section, you have the keyframe option. You want to add keyframe here, and then you want to reduce the volume of this section. You want to add the first keyframe for the volume, and then you want to put the playhead some frame forward, and you want to add another keyframe at the volume slider here. Okay, just click here, and then at this section, you want to add another keyframe. Okay, and here you want to add another keyframe, and now you can control this keyframe to lower the volume of the audio, something like this. Okay, and let's play the audio. You learn how to edit audio. What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit your audio using Filmora 13. I will show you all the basic function of the software to edit your audio, as well as some AI tools to remove the background noise, as well as okay, and at this section it will go up. Okay, so I will show you how to okay, so I will show you how to. Alright, so that is how to add audio keyframe, and be mentioned that you can delete the audio keyframe. Also, you can right click here and delete all audio keyframe. Okay, something like this. And now what if you want to adjust the balance? You see here we have the sound balance here, so meaning that if you want to put your audio on the left ear or right ear, you can use this slider. For example, now I want to put all my voiceover on this ear, which is the left side, so I can just drag this slider to this side. Okay, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video I'm going to show, and now we want to go to the right side, show you how to edit your audio in Filmora 13. I will also show you. Okay, so that is some basic audio editing tools in Filmora 13. By the way, you can split the audio, delete the audio, similar to what you can do with the video. For example, at this section, I can split the audio and the video together, and then I can delete it. Or you can also detach the audio. For example, I can detach the audio and then I can split the audio right here, and I can delete this section. So it is similar to what you can do with the video. Alright, so that is some basic audio editing tools in Filmora 13. And now what if your audio has some background noise and you want to remove it? It is also possible. Let me show you how to do that. Okay. Alright, so for example, here I have a footage of me talking to the camera with my GoPro, and the audio is from the GoPro. It is not very good, and there are many background noise also. Okay, so let's listen to the audio. For example, if you are shooting video outside, your audio is bad all the time, especially if you don't use a good microphone. So if you want to remove the okay, so if you want to remove the background noise, there are two options for you. The first option is the AI voice enhancement. So it is very useful. When I shoot video outside, I use it all the time, especially when I don't have the microphone with me. Okay, to use the AI voice enhancement, all you need to do is to right click here at the video, and then you want to select adjust audio again and scroll down here. So this is just one click. This is AI speech enhancement. AI speech enhancement. We want to turn it on and click OK. Okay, and here's the original audio and the audio with AI speech enhancement. For example, if you are shooting video outside, your audio is bad all the time, especially if you don't use a good microphone. You are shooting video outside, your audio is bad all the time, especially if you don't use a good microphone. Okay, and if you are not happy with the AI speed enhancement, you can also use the normal denoise option, such as wind removal and hiss removal yourself. To do that, you want to go back to the audio tab by double click at the video and select audio again. And here you can turn off the AI speed enhancement, and then you want to work with the wind removal and normal denoise, stuff like that. For example, this is normal denoise option. You can turn it on and you can set your normal denoise level to low, mid, and strong, or stuff like that. But if you set it to strong, your voiceover will become just robotic or stuff like that. So do not set it to strong, just mid or low. Okay, so this is mid, and this is normal denoise option. For example, if you are shooting video outside, your audio is bad all the time, especially if you don't use a good microphone. So if you want to remove the okay, so this is how I remove the background noise when shooting video. The first option is the AI speech enhancement, and the second option is normal denoise option. By the way, you have some tool here like de-reverb and hum removal, hiss removal, stuff like that. But I never use this option because I don't think it is necessary to use this option in my video. Okay. Alright, and in Filmora 13, there is another very useful tool that is AI vocal removal. If you want to remove the vocal or the voiceover in your video and just keep the background music, you can use this tool. It is AI tool. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, for this function, I want to use my old footage so that I will not have some copyright issue. For example, here we can play the video and the video has voiceover and the background music. Media in Filmora 13. So now I can set in point and then I can set out point for it. So just a short portion of my video, and then we can drag and drop it onto a timeline. Okay, and now I want to separate my voiceover and the background music. So this is the original one. I'm going to open it on my computer. This is the video, so I can select 1, 2, 3, and then I can drag. Okay, and if you want to use the AI vocal removal, you want to right click at the video and then you want to select this option, AI vocal removal. Okay, and now it finished separating my voiceover and the background music. Okay, but by the way, I want to adjust my track to normal first. Adjust track high, normal, and this is the original video and this is the voiceover and this is the background music. Okay, so we can turn off the original and then we can also turn off the voiceover here and just listen to the music first. Okay, and this is my voiceover and without the music. So I'm going to open it on my computer. This is the video, so I can select 1, 2, 3, and then I can drag and drop them. That's nice, right? And you can do the same if you have a music file with the voice inside. You want to separate the voice and you can delete the voice and keep the background music only. Alright, so that is how to edit audio in Filmora 13 and how to use some AI tools in the software. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.